car. Give a boo for the old car.
Boo! I really don't like it.
Oh, well, we'll fix it up for you. Don't worry about that. Okay. We'll see you in the next episode. Hi. Oh, my gosh. Look what we've done to Sailor Ace Park. It is amazing.
Okay.
It's limo. Cameraman.
It's so amazing to have such a pleasure for this car. Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
I have been a